Let's go, man. We did it again. God bless. This is what we do in D&D Trades. If you're not in here, join up. Today, beautiful 3-minute inverse play. We take out these highs, come down, and my target, new week opening gap. Why do I want to target that? One, because it's an A plus draw on liquidity, and two, because look how rejecting out of the daily fair value gap. When you see rejection like this out of the daily fair value gap, I don't care about the 4 hour that's unfilled. I don't care about the 2 hour that's unfilled. Not even the 1 hour. However, this was a beautiful play rate in itself because look, tap into the daily, reject, form a 1 hour. What do we do? Tap into the 1 hour, reject again. Come into the lower time frames. Sweep out relative equal highs in the lower time frame. Come into the 3-minute, what do we do? Inverse a 3-minute fair value gap with the tap into the fair value, tap into the 1 hour, which takes out this liquidity. This is an A plus setup. I got a good fill on this 3-minute candle, and this right here is a 1-minute fair value gap bullish that I did not go break even, and I didn't do this because I was very, very confident on this trade that we have that new week opening gap below, which is an A plus draw, and I'm gonna hold this until around the 925 candle where I usually go break even. And that's exactly what I did. I wanted to see this break, and once it's broke at 920, I was break even. 925 let us down, and this was one of those fair value gaps to the left where it's respected numerous times. 1, 2, I guess you can even count this right here. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 times. So once we break below a gap like this, we're just going to go lower. What happens here? Break. We go all the way down to the new week opening gap. And I ended up targeting just a 1-minute low below the 50% of the range of the entire leg. The reason I do that is because the way my funded accounts work, I have alpha zeros, is I only need 5 200 winning days for a payout. And once I build my buffer big enough, I can only withdraw 1500 for every payout. So it doesn't even matter if I make $600 a trade. I'm not even going to be able to take out more than 1500. So I'm risking a perfect amount to where my wins give me just about max payout, and I don't even need to take big trades like that. So if I was in a live account here, I would have printed today because I would have just kept trailing my stop until we hit the new week opening gap, which I was doing on this eval right here. I just bought a fresh eval for real-time data, and it's a Lucid Flex 50K. Made some money there, and I was just testing out this trailing drawdown strategy where I just trail it to the 930 high after the candle forms and just leave it there until we hit the full draw on liquidity, which would have played out on both accounts. But other than that, amazing day, beautiful day. Show the execution marks on my Alpha Trader. I can enter right here, get out right here. That is a 77-point move, $360 across 5 accounts. I'd show you the accounts, but I don't want my numbers to show up. I'll block them out. 5 accounts. And I do end up taking a play right here. That's why you see these execution marks. I took a retrace into this 5-minute BPR right here. And I got filled in the middle of it, and I just closed it once we traded above. So I literally, it looked something like this. I'm just going to show you. Got filled here, and then so I lost about probably like 8 points, 40. I lost $40 off 3 micros. That's all. And then I just tried it again because I didn't want to get caught not in the mood. So I guess I enter a little early here. Just trying a high RR play. With that said, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please show it some love, and see you tomorrow. Hopefully we have another clear bias for the 6th day in a row. Love y'all, boys.